Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using Moonpay with your debit card. First, open the Moonpay app on your device. Once the app is open, use the search function to find Bitcoin, also called BTC. Tap on Bitcoin to start the buying process. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can type the amount in your local currency or in Bitcoin itself. After entering the amount, tap on Continue to move to the next step. The app may ask you to enter your phone number for verification. After phone verification, you will reach the checkout screen. Here, you need to select your payment method. Choose debit card as the payment option. Once selected, enter your card details carefully. This includes the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Make sure the card belongs to you and is active. After entering your card information, the app will ask you to verify your identity. This is called KYC, or Know Your Customer Verification. Follow the instructions on the screen to upload the necessary documents or take photos if required. This step is important to keep your transaction safe. When everything is correct, confirm your purchase. After the transaction is completed, Moonpay will send the Bitcoin to your wallet. Thanks for watching.